Welcome to Jogja, Mister. Very nice. The ride on the train. Okay, let's go.
Umurmu bertambah satu, diriku bertambah sayang padamu.
Yes, sir. Here we go. The tourist in Yogyakarta. Going to the mall to exchange money. Let's go. It's like the maintenance center for train. Whoa, look at this railway. Woohoo. So happy Larry visiting my friend. So look at that. Look at this expo there. And here's my friend. Hello.
Hello.
He's the son of Attorney General in Indonesia. He's the most powerful person in Indonesia, the father. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Happy? Yeah? Knock yourself out. Kayak supir anu, sepur mbiyen pas nom-nomane. You drive. Yeah, this is how you control. This is the pro, and this is the switch. Oh, that's how you control right over there.
Nah, jadi ini apa ada lampunya ini. Kalau diginin dia nanti dia lurus. Nah, itu lampunya hijau. Kalau di sini Ready, coming through.
Oh, look at that.
Pertamina.
Pertamina.
Oh, yeah, fuel.
Yeah, fuel. Hmm? 5 million. Terus ya? Each.
Ini sekarang mobilnya 25.
This one, 25 million. That's 25 million. So how much 25 million? 25,000?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Yes.
Sesama pecinta kereta api. This both guy here is loco lovers. So that means crazy lovers, no? Wow, looks so beautiful. Oh, I think I better take a picture of you from there, Larry. Thank you. Happy Larry, so happy.
Happy. Always happy.
Yeah, always happy. Okay, Mr. Agung, thank you very much for your kindness. Yeah. So this is Larry happy? Happy Larry?
Larry's always happy.
Oh, Larry's always happy. And this is Agung, always happy too. So this is Agung's house. So this is the father and the mother. So we're in Pakualaman. This is the Little King of Jogja. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say terima kasih Pak. Yeah. Wow. So this is Pakualaman.
Oh, wow.
Well, see, it's nice being crazy, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Nice.
There's no tourists coming here. You're probably the first person.
Which is my room?
Your room's right over there. Good morning, Yogyakarta. So this is where Happy Larry is staying. This hotel here. It's quite nice with all these flowers. Beautiful, nice place. And this is the Joglo. Joglo is a traditional house of Jogja. And this is where the breakfast place. And they get beer too here. Here's the breakfast area. See, that's what Lair is like. Beer Bintang. Yeah. This is in Jogja, but somehow the hotel structure seems like Balinese in a way. And let's see where he's staying at. It's like we're going in the alley here somewhere. Here. This is where he's staying at. 206. I think he's still sleeping. Yeah, let him just relax and enjoy. And let's check it out. What do they have here? Whoa, here we go. This is a swimming pool. Quite nice. Whoa. It's like in the jungle. Yummy. So today's the 1st of March. This is the beginning of Ramadan. So most people in Jogja, they're not eating for the whole day until 6 o'clock. We start our fasting around 4:30 in the morning, or say 4. Wow, look at this tree. It's so big, humongous. And then we'll break our fasting around 6. See, it's like Balinese style. So for a praying thingy. In Jogja, mostly it's Muslim. Anyway, well, we're waiting for the boss. Let's just sit here and pretend that we can eat. Oh, coffee too. Ooh, yummy. Oh, yummy. Pagi, Mas.
Dari kamar berapa?
Wah, tidak kamar, poso kan ya. Yeah, poso, that means fasting, guys. Wah, sahur. Here's 206. Good morning, sir. Here you go.
You said half time.
Can I see your room?
Oh, very, very basic.
Wow, look at that.
Basic.
Just relax. We still have like
No.
hours. That's quite a nice room, though, eh? Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
This Aussie guy here. So, how's your sleep?
Oh, I woke up 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Yeah,
So
couldn't get back to
you're
sleep.
fasting today?
Eh?
You're fasting today? Gajah Mada. Wow. Are you going to go to this school here, university?
I think I'm too old.
No, you're. Well, the bule going to Tugu. So that is Tugu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like the safeguard thingy. This is the Kraton, and this is the Tugu. That one. Boom. And over there.
Down.
Going to Kraton of Yogyakarta and buying ticket. The price is only 10,000 different, which is like what, $1? Yeah.
Same everywhere.
You're right. Shoes okay? Clothing okay?
Yep.
Wow, you're decent. Good. All right. First time in Indonesia.
But during the fasting month, no music, no dance.
Okay.
Yeah. Jakarta was built in 1756. Yeah, by the first Sultan. And now then, this all together gamelan, make of brass, and this mahogany wood.
Mahogany.
Yeah, mahogany wood. This bonang and this sitar. That's symbol of happiness. Yeah, in Java, the right side is good and the left is bad. This symbol of the Sultan is in the middle, Javanese Sultan. The present Sultan now still lives there,
Yeah.
and then don't step on it. And he has 5 daughters, but only 1 wife. Yeah, Sultan is family planning. Family planning, 1 wife and 5 daughters enough. Yeah. But Sultan has 21 brothers and sisters. Yeah. Oh, 21 is not many. In the second Sultan, he has 5 daughters. This is the youngest daughter.
Right.
She's married.
มีครอบมีคริสตัลมาthe painting that's all done before number 8 number 7
Sultan chest, yeah, special symbol. Sunlight from Italy, Murano. The dragon is the Javanese calendar. From the
So
ceremony,
this is Javanese calendar, guys.
Only for the Sultan, not for me. Yeah, because very difficult. Javanese calendar,
the
but we
Sultan.
only 5 days. 1 month there are.
Right.
Okay.
1 week, only
But
5
2
days.
is late. Symbol number 3. Yakso, this a giant, symbol of number 5. And this the dragon, symbol of number 8. And this here, crown, symbol of number 1. And then from here, 1, 8, 5, 3. 1853, Javanese calendar. 1928, international calendar. Yeah?
Yeah.
Dining room was built by 8 Sultan.
You get closer to him. Yeah. Okay, closer, please. Get closer, yeah. You can kneel, right? You cannot, right? Oh, you're weird. Okay. Oh, sampun. So the one that down here, you can actually take picture, but the one that's like up there on the floor, you can't, because they're like mostly like PhD doctor or like an army or whatever, and they all get 10,000 rupiah a month only, like $1, you know. And it's not the money actually, it's like the devotion to the king. Interesting. Wow, 10,000, man. You cannot even like buy Coca-Cola for that. Wow, that's worth a picture. Oh, look at that. On the 1st of Ramadan, he already break the fast. What a guy.
Look how long I lasted.
Yeah, 2 hours.
One temple took 1 year. That means after 280 years.
Wow, this tourist from Aussie. Prambanan, you love Prambanan? Oh, alright. Abaya Giri. Lunchtime. I was asking for beer, but they say, well, this is
No,
like
yeah.
Ramadan time. We don't serve beer. Sorry. Oh, look at that. Ramadan.
Thank you.
Meal. Look at that. Oh, so happy. Happy man. Happy Larry. Good morning, Larry. Where are we going now?
Borobudur.
Yeah, and we're stopping here around Muntilan to see all the stoneworks. We're mostly exported to several places, included Bali. Look at that. See, you can even see Buddha there. Oh, beautiful. On the way to Borobudur. Oh, here we go. The lost tourist from Australia. And we're going to take a picture here. Look at that. That's the Guardian. Remember in Kraton yesterday they say the left is the bad one. Okay, let's take a picture of it. Okay. Look at this Happy Larry. Happy Larry. Finally we're here. All right. So where's the happy dance? There's no happy dance? And this is for regular tourists. We'll drop you off right over here. Yeah. But since you're so special, so I think we're going to move somewhere else. Not here. Well, still close, I think, but in the other area it's already open since like sunrise. Special place, VIP for us. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're heading to VIP's place. So this is the gate for like president, prime minister, and all VVIPs if they're going to go to Borobudur. And this guy is also a VVIP here. Guess where we're going. VIP access. Oh, special here for Larry the happy man. Yeah. Oops, there's truck. First,
Open by itself, man.
this place special. Indonesia, so beautiful. 650 for a souvenir. And stickers. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, and this to go into like Disneyland. And here's the price, so you will know. It's 650, and if you're alone, 30 more thousand, which is only $3. Yeah.
You put this one on, do I?
Yeah, she'll help you up. Mbak, ini masangnya Mbak?
Oh, it don't break.
Or here, yeah. Boom. Officially,
Thank
you're
you.
from Borobudur. Don't take it off, okay?
Don't
Till
take it
you
off.
go back to Australia. So this is, let me see the sandal. Wow. Wow.
Oh, sound.
Yeah. What we're going to do? Pray? Wow. Look at this guy, converted to Muslim now. Oh yeah. You want to? Oh, there we go. Hello? Oh yeah. Yung mobilnya balik rin na Mas? Ora? Balik rin na? Oh, ambil.
We have the street center to drop us to the VIP venue.
Okay, bye-bye, sir.
See ya.
I'll see you later.
Bye.
Have fun, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, where's your beer? Do you bring your beer? Water. Larry, your water with you? Wait. Let me grab. To go to Candi Mendut and see the real Buddha inside here. The real Buddha. The real Buddha from Australia. It's a banyan tree where you do meditation. Oh, seems yummy.
They have big trees.
So this bell here is a different kind of bell.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Cambodian Buddha's temple. This is Thai. Yeah.
I think that's ties that with the flame coming out of the head. It is.
So this is Mendut Monastery.
She was very interesting, that lady.
Yeah. Lunchtime. Okay, let's go. See, this is the local favorite. Look, all the things. Sini paling. Kalau nggak di Pak, ya sini aja. Bon appetit, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. So yummy. The Nation Railway Museum. Look at this happy guy here. No smile? Come on.
I'm smiling.
Wow, look at this. Dream come true. Okay. This is train heaven, Ambarawa. Larry is so happy. Huh? 30,000 for the guide.
We begin from here or from there? Because it was same anyway. You can see the history wall is more and this one coming from the England, which is only have one. The 21 there is a sign, see. But actually this is the entrance.
Yeah. So where are you now, Larry? Ambarawa. Come on, have fun a little bit. Mbak, ada yang jual bir nggak di sini, Mbak? Do they sell beer or not here? See, no beer, I told you.
Oh no.
But for us, stay halal.
Yes.
Stay halal. But if you go to the Bali, wow, every shop is providing that.
Oh, look at that. Wow, that's nice. Okay, this is where you put the coal right over here.
You see the diesel or the steam locomotive when you...
Diesel.
Oh, the diesel. Oh, the diesel. But in here we diesel.
Yeah.
As for this, the red one, there is a handle.
Yeah.
The accelerator
to speed up. Wow. Something else.
I didn't drive one of these.
So they got their workshop right away, right over here, eh? Yeah. This is for the stable and everything? Wow, something else, huh? Tengahnya pakai ceruci. See this here in the middle here, I have thingy here for uphill, downhill kind of situation in the old days. I don't know if they're still doing this thing now. Oh, holy moly, 1902. Wow. That is old. Waiting for the train to switch. Diesel power, isn't it?
Yep. That model railway the other day.
Yeah.
Remember the frog?
Yeah.
And the switch. See, that's the switch. Further up is a frog, which allows you to go over the other track.
Oh, I see.
And now they're all electric.
Huh. But before it's like manual labor.
Yes. Even when I was doing it. I started.
Larry! Yo, Larry! Larry! Okay, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow. For ticketing. Telegraph. Oh, this is when you're Asongan. So like a food vendor, at that time you have to have like ticket just to get into the train area. There you go.
Very good.
Happy Larry.
Happy as Larry.
Happy as Larry. Okay. So So now we're entering Taman Sari Water Castle and buying ticket. It costs here. It's for Turisto. It's 25,000, and for children 20,000. If you're going to do some pre-wed, it's going to be 500,000. Okay, and here's our tourist today. Another Borobudur, eh?
When you try.
After the swim, yeah, after the just 1 ladies, and then my sultan swimming together with my the wife, yeah. But no, my sultan number 10, basically has one wife, one is enough.
So a long time ago, the Sultan number 1 usually just going to stand right there on the window over there and looking at all these 23 girls here, just to be their, I mean, it's concubine or something like that. But no, they, the Sultan, no, they have one wife. Good king. No coin tossing. Where's the coin? Used to be a lot of coins here. People like throwing coins before. Larry already on the bed. What you doing in the bed? Have you choose some, you know? So what is this place again?
What?
No, this place here. What's that for? Oh, come on. So this is for the king, you know.
Oh, no,
looking up. Huh?
Yeah, this is.
Yeah,
watching tower.
Yeah, this is watching tower. You're too nice, Larry. Yeah. So somehow the king's like watch over all the ladies here, long time ago. And Larry just won't say that. He's too shy. Because the wife will get mad at him. Anyone interesting?
Good.
Marion will get mad at him. What you been doing in Jogja?
Yeah. Taking my photo taken. You ready?
Already?
The stop there in the fashion, and then it's the middle, is water castle, this the thing. The front, this is the symbol, the Hindu.
It used to be for gamelan music thing.
This is the symbol of Muslim. This is the most.
So this is the mosque, old mosque. So they don't need any like speakers or sound system. So what you have to do is just shout, right?
Itu kayak jamur, Mas. Ininya yang sawu. Ini kayak jamur.
So it's like
jadi
mushroom.
Kecil, nanti di atas itu gini. Nah, nanti jenengan gini, Mas. Nanti masuk ke tangannya, nanti bentuknya jamur gitu.
Oh, look at that. It is like
mushroom like this.
Yeah, like mushroom.
Will they open again?
Maybe one just again.
They're fixing it because somehow the ground is like shaky a little bit, so it's kind of dangerous for tourists. Okay. Wow.
What's this?
That's the mosque there. Foto saya mas, ya mas. Bye Larry. We'll miss you. Eat first. Okay. Bye. Thank you for visiting Jogja. See you again in next live. Bye.
kekasihku, hanya dirimu di hatiku. Tiada yang lain di hati ini selain dirimu satu.